Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add underline in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then inshallah, open the Google Sheets file. Then you can see is the add underline. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the drawing option. Then wait for it. Then click on the line option. Then draw a line. Now click for the save and colors option. That's it. Then show the line is from that's it. Then I show the add underline in Google Sheets file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.